A 2002 Ford Lightning with 27,000 original miles. It's got Hotchkies suspension, gas shocks, big sway bars, 4-link, so it's really pumped up underneath the truck. It handles like a Corvette. Truck's immaculate, and we'll show you the interior. It's perfect, suede and leather. As you can see, it's got double rugs. That just shows you how nice the truck was. It's got double rugs. It's got a Pioneer deck in it, a $1,000 Pioneer deck. It's got Bluetooth. Original, never been in a wreck, clean Carfax. Got a nice bed rug bed liner. I don't think it's ever been used. It's got a nice high-dollar car cover, but it's really nice inside. Like I said, it's spotless. Got a backup camera. It's got BASSANI exhaust. Nice BASSANI cat-back exhaust on it. It's been lowered, 1.5 inches in the front and I think 2 in the back. I'll walk around and I'll show you the motor. Stop. Silver's got a Cannon air filter in it. But it's got a chip in it, Diablo chip in it. It's probably, the guy I got it from said it's pushing about 475. So I'll rev it up and let you hear the exhaust. Truck's in Central California. I live in Turlock, California. There'll be a number on the YouTube video that you can contact me, but the truck's for sale. Super nice truck. Hard to find them with this low miles and with all the extras underneath. Thank you.